You said in your press conference the other day na kung buhay pa sina Joker Arroyo, Lorenzo Tañada, Jose Jokno, ikahihiyas nila ang Senado. What made you say that, Attorney?
Because the Senate, the current composition of the attitude and the display of their treatment of the complaint is not in accord with the law. It is not in accord with the Constitution. To that extent, yes, kaya iba ho yung ano noon yung panahon nila Ka-Pepe, nila Ka-Joker. You know, they inspire the people to do what is right, to do what is good, to serve the country. Dito ho, and from where I stand, it's not consistent with what I've been expecting from statesmen. It is not in accord with what should be. Kaya ko po nasabi yun.
Mm-hmm. Last week, when the prosecution held a press conference, bago pa po kayo naging spokesman ng prosecution, they were unable to collectively criticize the Senate. May individual prosecutors na sasabihin nila, yes, unconstitutional yung ginawa ng Senado na pag-remand ng articles of impeachment sa Kamara, but collectively parang they cannot come up with that stand. Pero kayo, in your debut the other day, you came out swinging and yung mga salitang mga binitiwan nyo, talagang maanghang din. Is this the prosecution's way of changing its communication strategy? May ganoon po bang aspeto sa kung paano nyo i-deliver yung mensahe ninyo sa publiko?
This is my way of challenging the senators, judges. This is the way I want to engage them. This is the way I want to call them out. This is who I am.
Okay. And isa po sa mga hindi natuwa doon sa sinabi nyo the other day, dahil nga sinabi nyo, may hiya yung mga dati nyong mga mentors sa kasalukuyang komposisyon ng Senado, si Attorney Reggie Tongol. Siya yung siguro masabi natin counterpart niya sa Senado dahil siya yung spokesperson ng impeachment court. He said, bakit daw ba tinitira ng isang abogado ang impeachment court? Parang hindi mo naman makikita yun kung isang ordinaryong abogado titirahin ang isang ordinaryong korte. Ano bang masasabi niyo dun, Attorney?
Hindi ko siya, I don't consider him my counterpart because he is the spokesperson of the institution. Okay. Ang counterpart ho niya, yung spokesperson ng House of Representatives, hindi ho ako. Mm-hmm. Okay? Number one. Number two, hindi ko naman tinitira ang impeachment court for the sake of criticism. Mm-hmm. I voice out my concerns to engage them and challenge them to call them out. Do your constitutional duty. Answer the clamor of the people. Provide clarity. Clarity to the issues at hand and the direction that we are taking and what direction should we be taking. Mm-hmm. You know.
But do you expect that the two of you would butt heads more often given na siya spokesperson ng isang bahagi ng, the impeachment court at kayo naman po ay spokesperson sa prosecution. Do you expect na mas magkakaroon ng ganitong palitan ng mga maanghang na salita in the coming days or weeks? Kayo po ba ay magkaibigan?
Hindi ko siya kilala
Hindi niyo po siya kilala?
Hindi ko siya kilala. Pero ito, I'm not here to butt heads with anyone. I'm here to call out people who need to be called out. So hindi ho ako every time sasabihin siya, sasagutin. Hindi ho tama yun. Magsasalita ako, pagka palagay ko, dapat ako magsalita. Kung mali yung sinabi, I will call him out. Or I will call out the people concerned.